Hi there, this is Yoshi, and my assistant is with us. This is an unboxing from SVO. I didn't plan to order anything from SVO at all, but it's all Michael McCarthy's fault.
Yes.
Yes. What did he do to you?
He showed me a very beautiful little plant. And then I put it in the shopping cart with another really cool little plant I found.
Yeah.
And I said, buy it.
That's what.
And magically that works. I don't know how.
Magically.
Usually it doesn't, but this time I think it has to do with the fact it was orchids.
What do you... I buy you stuff.
Really? Where is it?
No. I don't.
You must forget to give it to me.
I like it. Okay, well, here we go. We got a heat pack.
Yes, because we've been silly cold here.
It's still wet, but wet. Warm, somewhat warm. It's probably the one that I use all the time too. Got I got a invoice. I got these. Why does it say 2? For what is this?
I don't know, let's look.
For AOS maybe?
Maybe.
So I got an extra?
Maybe. Let's hurry.
Oh, jeez.
Well, I want to see my plant.
Okay. Well, here we are.
Oh, nicely wrapped.
Yeah.
Bubbles. Don't show the kids that.
Bubble.
Nice to the plant.
All right. SLC Angel Treat SVO Flare. Cross LC Fire Gem Hot Splash. Oh, look, I got a bonus tag.
Dramatic.
I got a bonus tag. And here it is. That's how they drape things. And they use the kiwi bark that I sell. Hint, hint. Okay, so here. Oh, yep. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. This is what my wife wanted. This is the Michael McCarthy's fault. Princess Clementine. This is Dowiana cross Aculandier primary hybrid. Looking really nice. Looking really nice. Look at that. Dowiana cross. That would be cool. And
what's the number?
my assistant is looking for...
I know, I'm asking you the number, like 252,000.
Did you?
Here it is.
Which one did you find?
I do wish there was a search feature on it.
Yeah.
Slightly stressful when I look at
That's another good looking one. Okay.
it. Oh, here we go. See, that's the one I wanted.
So this is Princess Clementine SVO AMAOS. You can tell totally. Dowiana and Aculandier in there.
So pretty.
Okay, the next one.
That's the one that Michael McCarthy told me about.
Can you find this one?
I'm looking.
And this one is Gulf Shore. I can't take the tag out. Gulf Shore's Beauty Cross EPC, so Epicattleya Lime Sherbet.
Oh yeah, this is the one I found that I was like, absolutely, I want to to get this one, but
So this order, I am nothing to do with this order. Like, she totally picked whatever she wanted.
so this is the other. There's no picture of the bloom, but this is the hybrid, which I think is gonna look amazing.
Okay, so that's Angel Tree Cross what?
Fire gem.
Fire Gem. Hot Splash.
I think that's gonna be spectacular.
Alright.
Yeah, that's the problem. When people show me this website, I remember that it exists and then I find lots of cool things.
Yeah, it's definitely his fault. I did not.
This one and Moats are the two websites you never want me to be free on. I will find things.
I just ordered the Cattleyas the other day.
Oh, it's a sad story for you. You ordered some more.
Oh, it's got a sheath. I don't know if it's going to bloom, but there you go. So I did get another one. Angel Tree Fire Gem. And it's got a sheath on it.
And this is the other one
So this is blooming size.
Again, we don't have a picture of it.
Okay, so this is Gulf Shores Cross Epi Cattleya Lime Sherbet. Green, green, green.
No, green, purple,
Green, purple.
and green.
Green. Okay. That's exciting because you know, like, leaves are green too.
Yeah, Mr. Every orchid I buy is purple.
Well, so that's a totally different story.
Is
Okay,
it?
now here we go. Let's see this.
I am so excited. Thank you, Michael McCarthy, for that Princess Clementine one. I would never have seen it if you hadn't told me to look for it.
So this is what I got for plant. Now come to think of it, I think it's trying to make up AOS membership. You can put the AOS number on their website and get AOS like 10% or something percent discount, and I think this is how he
Because you forgot to do it?
no, I put number on it,
Dun, dun.
but the number wouldn't reflect to it.
Well,
So,
anyway, we have 4 plants instead of 3.
yeah, one freebie, which is exactly the same one.
I'm okay with that. Well, besides, when you hybridize things, sometimes they turn out different.
Oh wow.
So maybe they'll look different.
Oh wow. You're getting it now.
Wow.
Anyways, so that's that small haul. Thank you for watching and you guys have a good day. Bye.